This is the DK Forge Explorer. Field or camping knife. Great for cutting ropes, paper, whatever. Can cut a steak. Use it for whatever you need to cut while you're camping. Can use it to dig a hole. Help process firewood. Has a exaggerated clip. Easy rest for your thumb, for dragging, for slashing. Easily indexed. Ultratex handle material, rubberized, with a Kydex sheath. Won't fall out. Has a universal belt clip. Opens, closes. Be horizontal carry, scout carry. Ambidextrous. Could even be set at angles for cross draw. Easily used, easily carried.